Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the ultimate pesto sandwich. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You will need a good quality basil pesto, some ripe, juicy tomatoes, and fresh mozzarella cheese. Next, choose 2 slices of your favorite artisan bread. Sourdough or ciabatta work wonderfully. Make sure all your components are at room temperature to ensure the flavors truly meld together beautifully. Now, let's start building your masterpiece. Begin by spreading a generous, even layer of that delicious pesto on the inside of both bread slices. This creates a fantastic flavor base. Next, carefully arrange thin slices of fresh mozzarella cheese over one of the pesto-coated slices. Finally, layer 2 to 3 slices of your perfectly ripe tomato on top of the mozzarella, ensuring good coverage. It's time to toast your sandwich to perfection. Gently place the second pesto-coated bread slice on top, completing your sandwich. For that irresistible golden, crispy crust, lightly butter the outside of both sides of the sandwich. Now, grill your sandwich in a pan over medium heat. Cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until the bread is golden brown and the cheese is wonderfully melted. Your incredible pesto sandwich is now ready. Let it rest for just 1 minute after grilling. This helps the flavors settle and prevents the cheese from oozing out too much. Then, for an appealing presentation, slice your sandwich diagonally. Serve it immediately and savor every single bite of this delicious creation. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.